The culture and work environment at Neya, it's all people that care deeply about the work that we do. So everybody is driven by passion. Me personally, I always describe it as really trying to solve the any A to any B problem off-road. And we're all really excited about getting these vehicles out in the field and watching how they fail, figuring out how to fix those problems, and then that final moment when you see a solution come to life on vehicle. I think that's what a lot of us live for from a career perspective.
It's simultaneously very laid back, very chill, very sociable. Everyone's, like I said, we're all good friends. We have demos that have a scheduled date, and you have to get stuff done for that demo. It's also, like I said, very, very fun.
So definitely collaborative, very supportive in a lot of ways. For example, I was hired on to just be a robotics technician. I'm sort of bridging the gap between mechanical and electrical and bringing my skill sets to both. They quickly noticed that I'm good at a lot of sort of project oversight in terms of looking at the big picture of what are all the logistics and what are all the puzzle pieces that need to come together to like do a successful demo or do a successful test. They didn't pigeonhole me and say, well, we hired you for X role and that's what you do. They more went, well, this is what you bring to the table and we see your value. How can we use that and how can we make you feel supported and how can we help you expand into a new role? Things I like in a company.
Engineering is never really like easy. Like there's a lot of deadlines and stuff and things do get tough and you hit roadblocks and you struggle. I've definitely been there where I felt like I couldn't get something done. And sometimes it takes a little while at first to seek that help. But whenever I have, it always was like such a good thing to do because the first reaction I've gotten, like both from project managers and my teammates, it's always like, they say, how can I help or how can I support you? There's no harm in asking ever. Like everyone just wants you to like succeed at whatever task you are given, which I really appreciate. I think that can be rare in the industry sometimes. Sometimes people, it gets cutthroat, but yeah, I've never experienced that here.
The work environment is flexible, collaborative, and supportive. There's a lot of opportunity to do what you want to do, a lot of very good work-life balance, a chance to say, my family's doing such and such, this is important, and you can go do it. It's very collaborative, that you get to work with other people, you get to make a lot of the decisions that involve the work you're doing, and the people here really generally like you and are very supportive of things that your career goals or what you're trying to accomplish.
There are a lot of different types of engineers, again with different expertise levels, and everybody is working really hard to solve some cutting edge problems, as well as deliver a solid and stable core baseline capability. So everyone's really collaborative, working hard to achieve that goal, wanting us to succeed overall.